Welcome to another video where we delve into the intriguing question, can AI commit an offense in our current legal system? And, if it acts outside its programming, who is held responsible? Firstly, AI is technology that imitates human intelligence using machines and algorithms, enabling them to perform a variety of tasks. AI has evolved to compete with the best of the human brain in many areas, often with stunning accuracy. This is because, just as the human brain uses heuristics, which are cognitive shortcuts that allow us to make judgments and streamline our decision-making process, AI also uses heuristics which guide the AI to generate independent responses that are probable. When an AI is using its heuristics, it can learn a new thing or make a decision that is different from what the programmer intended. For instance, in June 2023, the Indian Express reported that an AI learned a new foreign language on its own which it was never trained to know. So, the question that naturally arises is, with AI becoming more advanced, can AI actually commit an offense? The answer to this question raises a number of issues. The number one issue is that AI operates based on algorithms and data. It does not have intention or consciousness, which are crucial for committing an offense in the human sense. This is because in our current legal system, the commission of an offense requires two things. The first is a criminal act which is done voluntarily, and the second is a guilty mind, which means that the perpetrator of that offense must have intended to act in that way. Therefore, since currently we view AI as not having its own independent reasoning, then we cannot ascribe blame to AI. Maybe, in the future, we will come to see AI develop a form of conscience and even the capacity for ethics and reasoning. If this happens, then perhaps, it might allow us to subject AI to blame. However, AI can cause harm or break laws due to programming errors, biases in data, or unforeseen interactions. For example, an article in the Harvard Business Review reported that an Uber self-driving experiment was canceled because the self-driving car killed a pedestrian due to a deficiency in its decision-making. Another aspect to this is, what if a human manipulates an AI into doing the human's bidding, which results in the commission of an offense? In this case, the answer is clear. The obvious solution would be to hold the person manipulating the AI responsible. Let us look at what the current legal system says about all this. Legally, AI itself cannot be held liable because it lacks legal personhood. In our current framework, responsibility falls on the creators, programmers, or operators. They are considered accountable for the AI's actions, especially if there is negligence in the development or supervision processes. For example, in Germany, self-driving cars are regarded as the responsibility of their owner. Also, the European Parliament holds the owner, developer, manufacturer, or operator of an AI legally responsible for an AI's action or inaction. So, if the AI was to malfunction and cause harm, who would be held responsible? The answer would depend on the circumstances of each case. If the malfunction was due to a programming error, the developers could be held liable. If it was due to lack of maintenance or improper use by the operators, the responsibility might fall on the users or the organization deploying the AI. Another issue is, what happens if the AI evolves, on its own, and relying on its internal learning or heuristics, executes an action, which results in a criminal act, but which the owner or programmer was unaware that the AI could do? If this happens, should we still hold the owner or programmer responsible, or would such actions go unpunished, since there was no criminal intention on the part of the owner or programmer? This presents a major challenge, and our legal system needs to widen its scope to ensure transparency and accountability in AI systems. We need clear guidelines on who is responsible for what aspect of an AI's operation. Moreover, there should be rigorous testing and ethical considerations during the AI's development to minimize risks. We also need our legal system to create a framework where manufacturers and users of AI address ethical issues, like how to ensure that AI remains under complete human control, even as it develops and learns, and that AI acts in humanity's best interest at all times. These mechanisms ensure that the benefits of AI are maximized, while minimizing potential risks. We can also address the unique challenges that AI presents through international cooperation, by creating uniform standards that are applicable to the technological process. As AI continues to evolve, there should be collaboration between technologists and legal experts, in order to create systems that are not only advanced, but also safe and ethical.
Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. We value your support.